Hello everyone. Wanted to do a short video about my kids' flintknapping kit and kind of tell you what I've been making and why. This is my fourth kit I've sold so far on eBay, and I'm very happy. It's the kids they're the ones who are going to carry on the craft, and especially nowadays they need things to do. They need other ventures, let's just put it that way. But I just wanted to show what I put together. Basically, it's depends on the price, of course, but generally 1 to 2 boppers, 1 to 2 hand pads, always a flaker tool set, some spalls, flakes, and I throw in a few bifaces in there so that way they can, have something that, this needs to go to this. So, and a few bifaces for them to practice with their flaking. But basically the designs are just a little smaller, of course, than your standard, let's see here, than your standard handle. Here's your standard adult size. But still, same ergonomics. The caps, the lead inside, they're the same. The weight of the caps are the same. It's just going to be a little bit different weight because of the wood. So that way, I thought about this. If I make the caps lighter for a kid, which, to be honest, it's not that much difference, when they go to use an adult tool, they're going to have the same weight as when they have an adult. If I keep something smaller and lighter, it's not going to help them. It really isn't. And plus, or driving flakes, you need the weight to drive the flakes, and plus they're going to get used to the weight forward feel. And that's another thing, feel. When they get up to this point, if they choose to keep it going, the craft, they're going to have the same feel as when they use this one. So that's part of that. And then the hand pads, everything is glued, shaped, everything the same. So here's your adult 4-inch slim. So this is the youth. A little bit thinner, of course. Not as much surface area. So here's your hand pad in an adult size. And then here's a kid. But it's the same dome, same taper, and all that. And I even got him a little half moon in there. Half moon, just flat pad. And also, now that I'm making the junior combo tool Ishi stick, I made a slotted hand pad for the kids. And then the flaker tool, of course, this is an adult size. This is your kid size. Same size tips, no different there. It's all the same bits. And then what they don't know, though, is when they order, I always put a little bag together, a little satchel, if you want to call it, and just out of some suede leather, little sack, but put a little concho on there, a little buffalo nickel. It just fastens in the back with a flathead. And then this is a piece of tile, ceramic, porcelain, I don't know, but this is from Croatia. I picked it up on the beach. It's a piece of beach tile in the city of Trojur, and I brought it back. I remember my lady at the time, what are you gonna do with all that stuff? Yeah, there you go. And then I throw in a couple little Little points. Here's obsidian point for them. Couple little points for them to have. So I'll make one of these up and I'll put all the tools. Take these out. I'll just put the tools in there. Their little hand pans. Oh, and of course they have to have a little abrading stone. This is a worn out wheel. Of course it was bigger, but cut it down, and then 2 files. A couple files for them. And that all goes in there. And then these I'll put them in a little box. Put them in there, but basically cincher up. And there you have it. The Junior Flintknapping Kit. I think you'll like it. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.